What's up, dear?
Good morning, man.
Go on, dear. Come on, dear.
Happy birthday.
Emma,
Yo, you're 1 year old today.
our friend.
Ooh, good job. I think there's more.
This is from Godfather.
You already know it. You already know it. Show the camera. That's so cute.
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. Emma, make sure we keep.
Lord have mercy. You opened it.
Look, Papa's, look. Uh-oh, wait, Papa's, wait. Woo! Go ahead, Bella, right here.
I can't see it.
No, put right here, baby, right here. Look.
No, Mommy, just give it.
I just realized I never started the vlog. So I am here to say hello and welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, my name is Yazel. I'm a wife and mother of two, and we are in the car starting our day. Today's April 1st and it is our son's birthday. We did a Starbucks run this morning, me and the kids, and the kids really didn't care for anything. I got them from Starbucks, but that's okay. We'll try again next time. And we just left Target because Isabella has a birthday party for a little friend at school, and we had to pick up a gift. Guys, we're getting on the fire truck! You're getting on the fire truck! Yay!
There you go. That's what it's
You're getting on the fire truck!
There you go. So cool. We're on to the fire truck. Oh my God.
Beep beep! Turtle. Look, Bella, look at the pigs. Look at the pigs.
You can pick them up at our house. Yeah, you can pet them. I'm not. Oh,
He is being.
I just legit stole it from my
Touch it, Bella, touch it.
Yes, you were. You did it completely on.
Touch it.
What is that? Is that a ghost?
Go ahead, you got it.
Hi, Roger.
The little ducky holding onto my leg. One, two, three.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Theo. Happy birthday to you. Mwah.
Mwah. Besos for Theo. You want to help Theo blow the cake candle? 1, 2,
2, 3.
Yay! Okay. today is April 2nd and we are heading to Disney on Ice. Junior is ready with Isabella's old Disney sweater, and then we got him like a little zip-up jacket. It says Mickey Mouse on the back. So adorable. He's gonna put on his Adidas. Bella had some Mickey Mouse boots, but they're too big for him, so he's not gonna wear those today. Bella's gonna have Princess Elsa costume on, so I'm going to get her dressed and ready. I got myself dressed because I just throw on anything, obviously. Isabella, what are you doing? I just throw on anything, obviously. Just the turtleneck because it's gonna be cold. I'm gonna wear I think I'm gonna wear my black jacket that I wore yesterday. Yeah, I think I'm gonna wear the black jacket that I wore yesterday. I don't know what shoes I'm gonna wear. Most likely just my Uggs because it's gonna be cold outside. It is currently 40 degrees out. I'm so excited. I haven't been to Disney on Ice in literally years. Today they're gonna have Frozen, Moana, Little Mermaid, Tangled, and Beauty and the Beast. So I'm really excited to take the kids. Bella and Junior had seen all but two. They have not seen Little Mermaid or Beauty and the Beast, so that's gonna be pretty exciting for them to see it. And hopefully if they like it, we'll come back home and let them watch like the actual childhood movie. Bella, as you can see, is just laying in the bed. I'm about to get her dressed. We're here to go see Princess. Are you excited, Bella? I'm excited. Yay! We are walking in and we're like 45 minutes early, but it's like so packed already. So I feel like we should have got here super earlier, but it's okay. We're like running. We parked in the back because we're thinking that it'd be an easy exit, an easy and quick exit. Look, it's Olaf!
You want to see a magic trick? Look at that.
Whoa! Olaf. Let me see, Isabella. Bella, let me see your wand. This way, baby. This way, this way. This way, baby. This way. This way, babes. Okay, we have to stand there. Okay, I am exhausted. Don't know what from. Lord, can't even talk. I'm tired, y'all. We just finished watching Disney on Ice. It was fun. My one critique is that, bro, people just don't watch where they're walking. But my one critique is that Moana was literally like 5 minutes. Not even. It was like 2. They did 2 songs. And that's it. But Elsa was really good. She really enjoyed that one, and Rapunzel was really good. But Rapunzel, they didn't do Mother Knows Best, and that was like the best song on the show, on the movie, and they didn't do that. So I'm kind of sad about that. But it is 2 o'clock. We're on our way home.
Like, yo is in the middle of the street.
Can't make this up. Baby, you probably should beep your horn.
Like, you can't make this up.
So yeah, we're on our way home. We're gonna get home at exactly 3 o'clock. So the kids are most likely gonna take a nap in the car. Hopefully they do, because we need a silent moment. Just silence. That's it. But yeah, we're about to enjoy this car ride, and yeah.